and I am recording in my studio with the Dictopro X200. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, back here to techgooch, and I'm back with a video review. This is a product actually I received a little while ago. I apologize for how long it's been a delay to get these videos out, but that said, this is the Dictopro X200 digital voice recorder. It's actually designed for long distance recording, so like lecture halls, things like that. It has a very sensitive microphone on it that does, I honestly have to say, pick up almost everything. Here in a moment, I'm actually going to play a file out. I'm going to transfer it to my computer so you can actually hear the raw file rather than me just hitting play. Because this does have a speaker on it here as well. You can actually listen to it. So like if I go to, let's say the recording I just did just for the intro there, I can listen to it.
And I am recording in my
Sounds terrible. I mean,
with the Dictopro X2.
it sounds terrible. However, to do you headphones, cheap headphones. These are pretty cheap. But just listening to the headphones, it sounds significantly better. You can also alter the audio quality that you're recording at, so the bit rate. You can also adjust the sensitivity of the microphone, so depending on what you're trying to record or where you're trying to record. You can all do that right here. It is a very nice, tight, rechargeable little mic, what do you call it? Digital recorder, and it works really well. It's very simple. You turn it on with the power button on the side, basically push and hold. Kind of goes to sleep if you don't do it, but it's still on actually. You push it, you kind of wake it up, so it's awake here. Let me tell you, let's bring it in here, that way you can actually see what the screen looks like. So this is what it looks like right now. It's actually went to sleep, even though it's actually still powered up. It is asleep. So if I tap the root button, you'll see it wakes back up there. You can see everything on there. If I push and hold the button, it's going to get preparing, and then it'll start recording. It'll actually give you basically a counter as it counts up as it is recording. And then when you're done, you push and hold this same button again, and saved, and then it goes back to your file. Then you can just, actually that's the file list. That's various recordings that I've done over the last little bit. You can easily delete things from here as well. Basically, you use the buttons on the next track, previous track, and play pause button is kind of your enter button. But these will go up and down, so you can cycle through these guys. Sorry about the glare there. And then you can just hit play pause. I don't know what I'm playing.
And I'm recording here in my studio.
Hey, look at that. And play pause pauses it. Up and down will actually adjust the volume as you're playing it. And then that's the back button. That's for the menus, if you have to actually go through the menus themselves. So you can, if I hit back there, actually hit that back button. This is where the various menus are. I'm not going to go through all the menus, but in here you can actually adjust the mic sensitivity, recording capability, bitrate, auto recording features, things like that. They're all based in that little menu. And they do give you a nice little handy manual that does go through everything. It is a very handy little manual. It does basically go through everything. And so if you're interested, that does come with it. So that's a nice little bonus. Or it should come with this, to be honest. But headphones, garbage, in my opinion. Just cheap headphones. You know, obviously we're not going for a $100 microphone here. This guy is like $39 or so for the little digital recorder. And for that, it actually does really good quality of audio, and it's very sensitive. That's the big thing. And then here's the actual recharging cord. You can see there, just a micro USB. I've used once, and then I twisted it back up. So I'm actually still going off, well, not quite the initial charge. I used a little bit, and then I charged back up on 200%. And now I'm thinking about like about 2/3 battery, give or take. So it does come with this handy little pouch there to store it in. However, it doesn't come, the pouch really doesn't store anything other than the actual guy itself. I have not actually used this bag at all. I've just actually tossed it in my pocket or tossed it in my camera bag or something. That's how I've been using it so far. So I'm not going to go all crazy into it. It is just a digital voice recorder. There's no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth features or anything like that built into it. If you want to transfer files, you're going to transfer them the old-fashioned way of using that USB cable, that micro USB that you can kind of charge it. You can also plug that into a computer, transfer files from this to your computer. I'm actually going to hit play on one of these audios real quick. That I chose this one mainly because I was doing a test in my bedroom, and there was a person cutting the grass across the street from me. There's obviously a street between me and that other house, and cars kind of going past. So you can hear what it sounds like, at least in that regard. So I'm going to play it. I'm going to actually dub over the actual audio recording. I recorded it in 512, which is not near the highest quality that this can actually record at. But at least you know what it's actually recorded at. So let me hit this. I think it's this one. Background sound. Lawnmower. So some birds chirping and things in there as well. But is it Dolby audio? No, it isn't. But is it bad? No, it actually does a pretty good job of picking up things from a distance. That was kind of my point. The lawnmower was not just like I could see the lawnmower. He was kind of mowing in his backyard, so it was several hundred feet from me. The vehicle was probably a good 50 to 60 feet from me. The birds chirping, things like that. So just kind of give an idea what the quality of audio you can expect for picking up. So lecture hall things, it actually would work pretty good in my opinion. So is this the end all be all, the best digital recorder that you can buy? No. But is it worth the $39 that they're actually asking for it? I do believe so, because the clarity of the audio recording, the ease of use is maybe the best way to put it. And then on the size, and then the how easy it is to actually go through the audio recordings and see them. Now, I wish that the screen was a little bit bigger. Of course, you always do whenever you have a small screen like that. But for $39, I can't ask for too much. So that said, I'm going to put a link at the top of the description if you or you know somebody that's looking for a decent audio recorder, that at least to something to look at, maybe test. I will put that link there. You can check it out there. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to check back here on techgooch for more product reviews coming soon. So, see you soon, guys.